In this video, I will show you how you can record slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to record slow-mo videos on your Samsung phone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on More. Now after you tap on More, you will open this menu, and over here you will find the option for slow motion. Now just tap on slow motion, and you will be able to record slow motion videos on your Samsung phone. Now you can either record slow motion videos with the selfie camera of your Samsung phone, or you can flip the camera and you can record slow motion videos with the back camera. Just like that. Now as you can see, if I open the video which I have recorded, and as you can see, this is how you can record slow motion videos on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.